going to be showing you at the end of this video. I hope you enjoy it. So let's start. So firstly, I'll be going with my Neutrogena moisturizer. This helps to hydrate my skin, keep it smooth and supple. So next I'll be going in with my lip balm. This helps to hydrate my lips. And then the next thing I'll be doing is going in with my primer. This is from Zickel Cosmetics. I'm just going to use this all over my face and most especially my T-zone areas. This helps to prevent me from sweating a lot. So the next thing I'll do is actually put this illuminator. This helps me glow. I like to have that glowy effect. So I'm just going to put this on my cheeks, put this in areas that I basically want to highlight: my nose, my forehead. Then the next thing I'll be doing is rubbing it on my body. This also gives my body a glowy effect. Now I'm going in with my foundation. This is a mixture of the shade Kampala and Madagascar from Juvia's Place, which I'm showing you right now. So I just use these two shades because it gives me my perfect shade. The next thing I'm going to do is blend out my foundation. I'm going to be using my beauty sponge. I'm just going to be blending it until I have my desired results basically. So the key is to keep blending. You just want to blend and blend so it looks skin like, so your base is perfect. So just like this. The next thing I'm going to do is use my concealer. This is in number 12. I'm just going to put this under my eyes and then on my nose, my chin and my forehead. These are areas that I basically want to highlight, so I'm just going to do that now, and then use my beauty blender to actually blend it out. For my under eye, I like to blend the inner corner first, then the outer corner, just because this helps give a seamless finish before I go in, and then that's how it looks. And then I'm just going to blend out every other area where I have concealer. The key is to blend. I think I'm going to say blend a lot because your base is the most important part of your makeup. You have to blend, blend, and blend. Blend, 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 blend. So basically, I'm going to use it on my chin and every other area. Now for my nose, I'm going to actually use a smaller brush. This helps to, keep the concealer in place. Then the next thing I'm going to do is just pat my beauty blender on my eyes with the remaining products that we have on the beauty blender already. So now I'm going in with my setting powder. This is in the shade Kalari from Juvia's Place. I'm just going to pat this in. You want to, dust off the excess and just use that on under the eye and like every other area which was highlighted with concealer. So basically I'm just going to do this. You do not want to use too much setting powder, just enough to actually make you look as natural as possible. So that's what I'm doing. And next I'm just going to put this and also use it on my smile line areas. This is because whenever I smile I tend to have lines in that area and I do not want that. So I'm just going to use this and set that area. So next I'm going in with my setting spray. I'm just going to spray this all over my face, and then we just have that base looking nice and good. So next I'm going to be drawing my brows with my pencil. I'm just going to outline what I already have. I have really good brow shape already, so I'm just going to outline that with my pencil and then just fill it in a bit. So yeah, and brush it out, and then it looks like nice and natural. So now I'm going to go in with my concealer. I'm using the Juvia's Place concealer. This is in the shade 15. This helps just highlight the brows more. I already have a good shape that I've drawn out. The key to getting really nice brows is actually drawing it nice from the beginning. So all you have to do is just conceal it out and it looks nice. And I generally do not like to conceal the upper part of my brows. I just feel like it's a waste of time. Once you've drawn your brows nicely from the beginning, you do not need to do that. So now I'm just going to use my brush to actually blend out the concealer that I've already put on my face. You want to blend it out and make it blending with the base of your makeup already. So I'm going to blend out every ash line that might have come out from that, and now we just look nice. Now I'm going to be using powder to just set that area. and then it looks nice and good just like this. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is using powder on my face. You don't want to use too much powder on your face. I'm actually just, tapping the brush on the powder and just putting it on my face. I'm using the xoxo Cosmetics palette, which I'm going to show you, and I'm just, tapping it lightly on my face just to look nice enough and good enough. This is the palette I'm talking about. So for my blush shade, I'm going in with that orange shade. I just like to use orange basically on my skin because orange complements my skin so well. So I'm going in with that on as my blush, and just getting it all over my cheeks and my forehead area basically. So next I'm going to use a dark shade of powder to just bring out the contour of the nose more. Then I'm going to use my powder brush to just blend it in and make it look nice. And the next thing I'm going to do is draw out my eyeliner just to elongate my eyes a little bit, make it look nice. And then for the inner corner, I'm just going to be using a stroke to make it look nice. Just a stroke, you don't want to make it too obvious. Yes, just like that. And then it looks nice and good. Now I'm going to be using my mascara to bring out my inexistent lashes just to make it look nice and good and it be obvious, although I'm going to put on false lashes. This is my favorite lashes to use. I'm sorry I couldn't show that on camera. I kind of forgot to film that part. So basically I'm going to use my the pencil I always use for my eyebrows. It's what I use to line my lips when I'm going for a natural look, because it has this brown effect that I already have on my lips, so it basically just highlights that. Then next I'll be going in with my lip gloss from xoxo Cosmetics. I'm just going to put this on my lips. This also has a orange effect. You guys, I love orange, so I like things that have orange effect. The lip gloss has an orange effect, so I'm just going to put this till I'm satisfied with how it looks. And then I'm going to go in with this Milani bronzer. This helps to give my skin a kind of glowy look, and it's as natural as possible. I don't look too glowy, I just look like I'm having a natural glow, and that is the kind of thing that I'm going for because I'm going for a clean girl makeup look. So after this, I'm just going to use setting spray on my face once more, and that is the end of the look. This is how nice it looks once it is dried, and you can see how natural we look, not too much, just enough to look like the clean girl that I am. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to your friends so they can see how to get the clean girl makeup look. Bye until my next video.